I'm Frank Samet and I'm the Executive Director of Central Coast Industry Connect. Central Coast Industry Connect is an industry body that supports manufacturing in the region. We've been in existence for about 12 years. Our focus has been mainly networking and creating the awareness of the importance of manufacturing in the region. If you look at the ABS numbers, we've got about 1,000 manufacturers in the region. We have an output of about 4.7 billion. It's also the biggest exporter out of the region by a long shot. And that is probably driven predominantly through the food sector. And we have 4 major food companies in the region.
Hi, I'm Saffron Kosh. I'm the General Manager of Agrana Fruit Australia. Agrana Fruit is a manufacturing fruit supply for the industry of ice cream, dairy and food service, but we also do a lot more than just fruits. We consider ourselves the silent hero, so we make really premium ingredients for our customers who then use them with their finished products to deliver consumer goods that you would all know and love. So this facility has been here for 65 years, and over the years we've expanded and we now have our biggest development, which will be Site 3 starting in 26-27.
Food's going to be a big part of what we do. We've been very fortunate to receive $17.1 million from the federal government to build a food manufacturing innovation hub, which is happening right now. And we're hoping to be able to draw in a lot of businesses from outside the region to develop and grow those businesses and eventually, hopefully, to entice them to set up in the region.
For manufacturing itself, what we've noticed is the biggest change is now coming into robotics and actually making a lot more systemised systems that brings value to the supply chain, but also to the food.
I think the key factor is the proximity to Sydney. Logistics is a big play for any manufacturer, so being close to main arteries, road arteries, is really important. So we have been known for labour. Population is due to grow about another 40,000 in the next 20 years, so it's going to be quite significant.
We're very much about the local community and obviously driving local employment. We're very engaged in bringing more careers to the Central Coast and more innovation to our hub. So we chose to go into the Hunter Manufacturing Wards because it was something that I believe we could give back to our community, and that means our team members get recognition for the hard work that they have done. Often people will say to us, "You're on the mountain and we don't know what you do." I'm trying to get the public to understand this amazing work that comes out of the team members here at Agrana.
So why should people be involved with the Hunter Manufacturing Awards? I sit on the board of the HMA. The reason why I joined was I saw it as a really important step for manufacturers to be recognised. And one of my roles is to make the community, our politicians, aware of the importance of manufacturing in the region. We need to recognise that manufacturing plays an important role. That's why I believe the HMA is important. That's why I joined the board.